Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special Amazon unboxing video. You guys can check them out. My affiliate link will be down below. See what other goodies they have to offer besides this item. Take advantage of the Prime Big Day deals going on now. Hopefully you guys had a good day. Everybody is safe. We're about to see what this box is. Here we go. Oh boy. Coming from my good friends over at XGODY. They always got some good stuff. So definitely check them out. Oops, everything falls out. Here we go. Let's move this around. There we go. Now everything's centered. And bada boom. Bada bing. Ooh, the whale. We caught a whale, guys. Smart projector powered by Whale OS. Netflix 1080p. YouTube Prime Video, Disney, ESPN, HBO Max, you name it. This does it all. With the Google Play Store and the Apple Store. LED projector. Netflix streaming membership required. Of course. Here we go. Let's take a look. Set this up. And test it out. This is brand new. And like I said, definitely take advantage of the Prime Big Day deals going on. Get this LED projector and other things they have at their XGODY, sorry about that, XGODY site on Amazon. So XGODY, here we go. This should be easy peasy setup. Oops, okay. That came out the wrong way. Ooh. It's white. We got a box of goodies in here. That's probably the remote control and all that stuff. So now we shut this up. And now, time for a setup. There we go. XGODY. I'll take a look at this first. Of course, the remote control. Looking good, looking good. Got the power. Got the power. And here's the other things. HDMI. That's always a good thing to have. And like I said, they got a lot of cool stuff from cell phones, tablets, and others. Just click the link down below. We got some cleaning Q-tips for the LED lens. And I'll show you how to clean it. Comes with a cloth, some type of Q-tip. And let me take it out. I won't show no videos except for maybe my YouTube videos because of copyright. So, but there we go. Ding 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 ding. There we go. Extended Q-tips. And then we got this. This tells you how to clean. Okay, of course you get the manual. Pretty mini booklet. Quick install. Smart projector. Gotta love these things. You could do gaming. Hook up your Xbox, your Switch. Ooh, this is a lot different. Alright, there we go. Ooh, baby. Here's the front. Just remember to remove this blue protective. Bam. XGODY. Linking people together. Very nice. Side. Little stand. You could probably tilt it up to the ceiling, to the sky. Let the aliens watch some movies. Oh yeah. USB, HDMI, speaker or headset, IR for the remote. And there's power. There's power button. Here's the side. So you get one HDMI. That's a good thing though. So like I said, you don't need your Fire Stick or anything. So you can hook up your Blu-ray player, DVD player. Like I said, PS5, Xbox, XS. You know the rest. Okay. Now we're gonna set this thing up. Get some batteries ready. Probably AAA. And like I said, Amazon has really good batteries. You can buy the generic Amazon brand. They last a while. Alright, yeah, see, simple remote. Easy to slide. That's a good thing. AAA is one. Not Triple H, but AAA. Time to play the game, guys. Here we go. Definitely getting this. See, HDMI. We're not going to hook any systems up to it. And the power, of course, we're going to turn it on, so we need the power. Gotta have the power. And we go to the next episode. So it's easy plug-in. There's that. And there's a cable. So let me clean up this up top, on the side, over there. Let me get the batteries. Okay, batteries are installed. Red light is on. Time to plug this thing in. Give it a try. I got an extra outlet. You probably could have your Google TV running, so you're going to need your passwords and all that good stuff. Just like for your Netflix. But you can use whatever, your smart boxes, whatever you want to use to watch. So it's up to you. This should be easy plug and play. Boom. Usually goes like this. Boom. Bada bing. We got the blue light. Kansas City Chiefs are losing. Alright. Alright, here we go. And of course you can watch Monday Night Football, Monday Night Raw, all your wrestling events coming up in the near future. Nice little Christmas gift. We got what, 90 some days to Santa Claus coming? So you might want to put this on the list. And get it now. Get a good deal. And here we go. Let's see. I'm glad it's nighttime now so we can fully test it out. We are in the clear. Let's see. That was super quiet. Trying to make it look a little even. Let me zoom in. Whoa. Whale OS operating system. Let me cut it over there. Now, time to test out. Ooh. See, it's gonna auto sync the size of the area. Bluetooth. Okay, let me pause. Alright, guys, you're gonna have to press these two close to the. There we go. Now it's focusing. Ooh. That looks good. Let me back this up. That looks pretty good. Okay, now I gotta hit them two buttons underneath. Left and right. These two? Okay. Okay, there we go. We got it. Success. It is the left and right. These two you're gonna have to hold together for about 3 seconds. And then set it up with your English or whatever your language you guys are from. Wireless. We're going to do searching for Wi-Fi. Alright, we'll be right back. And then we are connected to my Wi-Fi. And now it's going to start all this good stuff. Select all. Agree. Here comes a whale. We call it a whale. But yeah, you can watch movies, anything you need to kill and pass by time. So, definitely check out XGODY. Ooh, kind of looks like a computer menu. You have the Fight Network, Prime Video, all that good stuff. And of course, you can watch YouTube. Let me find my channel. There we go. It sounds really good.
Alrighty, gamers, YouTubers, I'm back.
Alright, hold on. So there you have it. You'll see.
When I was growing up, but now.
Yeah, really good picture, guys. So definitely be great for gaming, for movies.
There we go.
Watch your TikToks. There we go.
Here we go. Got my pre-order for the Nintendo Switch. Looks really.
This is a really old video.
I had to pick one up. I didn't do the deluxe.
There we go. Look at that.
$326.
So test is complete, guys. Definitely check it out. XGODY. Be safe. Have a good night.